Today I am back with the unboxing of the Hermes Rivage women's sandal, and we are here in beautiful Tahiti. We just arrived and we picked up the sandal at the duty-free store in the airport. So Lucia's been looking for this for quite some time. We have not been able to find it online or in the Hermes store in Toronto, but we lucked out and they had it at the Hermes store at the San Francisco airport. So we picked one up and we're going to unbox it right now and do a really quick unboxing because we're really excited to go outside into the wonderful warm weather. So let's get right to it. So the sandals come in separate Hermes bust bags. And here it is. So this is a plastic sandal, so it is water resistant, which is good for walking on the beach and all the activities that we're pretty much planning on doing while we're here. The other sandals we looked at had leather on them, and obviously you need to be very careful with those, so we decided to go with this Rivage because it is a little bit more forgiving. It's all plastic, as I mentioned, so it's going to be water resistant and a little bit more durable. Let me go ahead and open the other bag. It'll be the same thing, but for the other foot, of course. And there is the set of sandals right there. So they have a very soft feel to them. So you see they kind of bend and flex pretty easily. Both Lucia and I have wide feet. So Lucia ended up getting a size larger than normal. So normally she would be a 37.5. So she opted for a 38 because the Rivage only comes in full sizes. And because her feet are a little bit wider, the 38 just felt more comfortable. So if you do have wide feet, you'll likely want to go up a size in the Rivage. Other than that, these little chains here are fairly flexible. And it has a really good textured heel and sole at the bottom. So hopefully that comes through on the video. The lighting's not the best in this hotel room. So you have a little bit of grip, a little bit of traction. And we're gonna go give them a shot right now. So we'll let you know in the comments how it works out. And please feel free to let us know any comments that you might have or any questions that you might have in the comment section below. Thanks.